How to deactivate your Messenger account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can deactivate your Messenger account. So if you go to your Messenger app and then go to settings, there you won't find any option as to how you can deactivate your Messenger account. So in order to deactivate your account, you'll have to deactivate it through your Facebook. So what you have to do is open your Facebook app. Now once you've done that, tap on the three lines on the top right corner of your screen. Now scroll all the way down and then go to settings and privacy. Now tap on settings and then you'll be taken to this page where right under account settings, the last option you can see access and control. So simply tap on it and now it will provide you two options. Tap on the second one, which is deactivation and deletion, and then choose the deactivate account instead of delete account. And once you've done that, tap on continue to account deactivation. And now if you have your Oculus account linked to your Facebook account, you'll simply have to tap on continue to account deletion, and the same for your pages as well. Now once you've done all of that, you'll have to enter your Facebook password once again. Now once you've entered your Facebook password, tap on continue. And now it will take you to this page where you'll have to select why you are deactivating your account. So you can choose any one of the option and then tap on continue. And now it will provide a solution as to why you chose to deactivate your account. You can simply tap on continue. And now before you deactivate, you can choose to transfer your information, and also you lose the admin status of the groups, and your Messenger account will also be deactivated. So this is what we were here for. Now let's tap on deactivate my account. And there you have it. You have successfully deactivated your Facebook account, meaning you have also deactivated your Messenger account. So that is basically how you deactivate your Facebook or your Messenger account. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.